What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back. Today I will be working with the company XrsBeauty Hair, and here I'm showing you guys the packaging and all the goodies. They did send me an edge control brush. I also got a wig cap. I also got these flexi rods, super cute, a comb, and some bill clips so you can put your hair up, and an attachable or detachable elastic band. Y'all, this came in super clutch, the best. This is the hair. This is the SKU code LFW11. It did come in 22 inches and 200 density. This is the hair, you guys. I did go ahead and cut the lace off, so I wanted to show you guys on camera. This wig came pre-plucked, bleach knots and everything. Literally all I had to do was cut the lace off. This is their new clear lace. Get into it. Here I wanted to show you guys the difference between the clear lace, a regular transparent lace, and a regular transparent or a regular brown lace. As you guys can see, the brown lace you can still see on my skin. The transparent lace looks ashy up against my skin. You can still see it, whereas the clear lace is literally melting into my skin. Y'all, those of you who know me know that how I get down. Use your 70% alcohol. Clean the perimeter of your hairline. If you got any makeup or anything on, you want to go ahead and get that off. So when you get ready to adhere it down, everything's laid and slayed, baby. Once that's done, I'm going to take my Ebin hairspray. Y'all know I love Ebin Wonder Lace hairspray. I'm going to do maybe 1 to 2 layers using my blow dryer in between. Once we get that tacky, we're going to nail that down like so. Y'all be gently. I know I'm running and rushing through this. I'm sorry, y'all. I was trying to make time for time. We'll make time for time, if that makes sense. But yeah, now I'm doing my second layer of Ebin lace spray, and like I said, I'm going to gently place it down using my fingers. Once that's done, I started in the middle and then work my way to the left and then work my way to the right. Once everything is down, I took my brush and I'm just going to brush out everything. And y'all cannot tell me this is not already giving scalp. Like, I didn't put no makeup, no lace tint on this lace. It's coming straight out the pack like this, y'all. Now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and give myself a part. This is a 13x6 parting space. I did forget to mention that, but yes, y'all, it is 13x6 parting space. And I'm just going to give myself kind of a deep side part, not really like on the side of my head, but you know, deep curved side part type style. And once I get the look I'm going for, I'm going to take a little bit of pressing oil, and I didn't show it on camera, but you guys already know it's the same pressing oil that I use. And I'm going to take my blow dryer with my attachable comb, and I'm going to blow this out just to make sure everything's flat, looking good before we get ready to style. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to make sure everything's flat on top. You don't want no lumps, humps, or bumps. Once that's done, we're going to get into the baby hairs and into styling, and then that will be the completed look. Next, I'm going in with my hot comb, and here you guys are going to see me just press out everything to make sure everything's flat. Y'all, I'm so in love with this hair. Like, XrsBeauty, y'all did the damn thing. Like, I hope everybody gets, like, all the companies get into this clear lace, because when I tell y'all, when I put this on, I was just shell shocked. I was completely amazed at how it matched my skin tone. I didn't have to put anything on it. Like, you know, as soon as I got it, the knots came bleached, or maybe it's because the hairs are number 4 and that's why they're lighter. but it came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached. I literally didn't have to do anything to this hair but cut the lace off and install it. Like, it comes with a detachable elastic band, y'all, so you can wear it glueless. Like, I'm into it. I'm loving it. Tell me that's not scalp. Tell me that's not my hair. Get into it, sis. Look at that. And I'm just running through it with a blow dryer one last time to make sure everything's dry. Since I didn't use any adhesive, this is just a glueless adhesive. So y'all, tell me that. Now I'm going to go in with my baby hair. I'm using my Kamosi mini straightener, and I got this off of Amazon. And I'm just going to curl the hairs going upwards, going away from my face, going towards my face, and then I'm going to use Nairobi setting foam and my eyebrow spoolie to lay my baby hairs. Use your hands when you do this. Like I said, take your time. I always tell you guys to take your time. I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing right here, but it'll focus on later on when you guys can see what I was trying to do. But yeah, get into the baby hairs. I just did two little simple swoops by my temple area and then my sideburns. And then to make sure that my baby hairs last, I go over the Nairobi with some Got2b glue gel, just a little bit in the yellow bottle or clear black bottle, whichever one you want to use, it doesn't matter. But I just use that to give it that hold so I don't have to deal with them later on or if they move or anything like that. And yeah. Once I get that done, I'm trying to like smooth my baby hair into my hair so it all flows together. Once you get the liking of that, we're going to move on to the other side. Like I said, I did just do simple swoops, nothing hard. This is super beginner friendly. You can do this on your own. Practice makes perfect, baby. I say that all the time. Practice makes perfect. Going in with my Nairobi foam, like I said, first, and then once I get the shaping of the baby hair that I like, I go in with my Got2b and lay that down just to make sure it is stuck to my head. I don't want it to go nowhere. And I'm going to complete that on the other side. I repeat the same motion using my swoops, and I kind of just use my fingers to swipe down or mold the hair as I'm going with my eyebrow spoolie. Not too much pressure to the point where I'm lifting up my lace or anything like that, but yeah. If you see any stray hairs or it looks like one baby hair is bigger than the other, don't be afraid to pull some hair out or pull some hair back, because that's all you got to do. Once I get through with this side, I'm going to do my sideburn on the other side, and then I'm going to tie that bad boy down with an elastic band. And once that's done, we'll get into styling. Once that's tied down, I'm going to go in with my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener. This is their ceramic straightener, so you can curl your hair with it. And I'm going to start in the back, curling away from my face until I get all the way up to the top. I am only going to show curling one side because you guys get the gist. You get the idea. So I just wanted to show you guys, I am going to show you guys my whole left side, me curling my hair. And like I said, I just curl away from my face, taking small/medium sections. And once I get all the way up to the top, I'm going to come back with the hair completely curled, and we are going to take off the elastic band and get into the finished look. Y'all, take your time with this. Don't forget to, like I said, curl away from your face. I did spray a little bit of heat protectant, which is why you see smoke coming from the straightener. It doesn't get super hot, or it wasn't melting the hair or anything like that. But yeah, take you like small/medium sections like I'm doing. And as you guys see, I'm just curling away from my face, and then I'm holding it maybe for like 2-3 seconds, and then I'm letting the curl drop. I wanted a loose looking curl. I didn't want nothing tight. But yeah, once that's done, you want to take your elastic band off, do a nice comb out, and that will be the completed look. Lastly, I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl powder foundation, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of color into my part. Literally, that's the only place. Once that's done, this is the finished look, y'all, and get into it. Get into it. Chocolate brown bunny, baby, don't play with me. Ah. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm in love with this hair. Again, this is XrsBeauty Hair. This is their color number 4, clear lace. Straight wig. It did come in 22 inches, 200 density. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell so you can get a notification when I drop another video. If you guys like this video, please let me know below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, this is XrsBeauty Hair. Y'all guys keep up with me. Follow me on Instagram at Hypnotic Lady. I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, y'all, I know I keep saying that. Don't forget. Don't forget. But yeah, get into it, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.